Hi there, welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. Today we're checking out the new location of Veggie Thali. It just opened this weekend in the Toronto beaches and we're really excited to check it out. So it's a vegan Indian restaurant. We're gonna go on in. Please like, comment, and subscribe and click on the little bell for future videos. This Toronto Beaches location is in a plaza at the intersection of Kingston and Queen and only opened yesterday, so they are still in the process of getting their menu signs put into place. This is a small restaurant with 3 two-person tables and most of their business will likely be takeout. Patrick and I both ordered the large thali platters, which included basmati rice, 2 rotis, a salad, 3 hot table items, and a dessert. There were 9 hot table items to choose from. Patrick chose the Aloo Gobi, which is spiced cauliflower and potatoes, Saag, which is a mashed blend of spinach, broccoli, rapini, and Indian spices, and sabzi, which are mixed veggies. I chose the Saag, sabzi, and Moong, which is a mung bean dal with Indian spices. The food is very flavorful and moderately spicy, and the portions were a good size. We really thought the food was great and did not have any difficulty cleaning our plates. For dessert, we had the added Halwa, which is an Indian dessert made out of semolina wheat, raisins, almonds, and a simple syrup. It was our first time having this dessert, and we were impressed with how tasty it was and liked that it was not overly sweet. Well, that was a really tasty meal and a great experience. The people that work there, the owners, are lovely, extremely friendly. It's open 7 days a week. From the hours right now are 11:30 until 9, and it's scrumptious. So I highly recommend that you come on out to the beaches. The Veggie Thali location, this particular Veggie Thali location is at Kingston Road and Queen Street, and it is really good. You will not be disappointed. Thanks a lot for watching, and once again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the little bell for future videos. Thanks.